Session 11. Increment operators. Plus plus, we have 2 in this, pre-increment and post-increment. Plus plus x is pre-increment and x plus plus is post-increment. In both the cases, the value of x is incremented by 1. Then if in both the cases the value of x is incremented by 1, then what exactly is the difference between pre-increment and post-increment? Yeah, I am giving the difference clearly with 2 demo programs. Look at the demo program of pre-increment. We have 2 variables here, a and b, and a is assigned with 5. B is equal to plus plus a is pre-increment. This is very important at this stage. In case of pre-increment, the value of a is incremented first, of course incremented by 1, and then assigned to b. That is very important to be noted out. The a is incremented first and then assigned to b. Look at the post increment. B is equal to a plus plus. In this case, the value of a is assigned to b first, then incremented by 1. No confusion, guys. In case of pre-increment, a is incremented first and then assigned to b. In case of post-increment, a is assigned to b first, then incremented by 1. And don't forget, in both the cases, the value of a must be incremented by 1 only. Similarly, we have decrement operators, minus minus, pre-decrement and post-decrement. So as usual, I have given in this session also, try yourself programs. We have 3 programs here. Look at the second program. The most important thing in evaluating these type of things is, in the last session, in expression evaluation, we discussed clearly the associativity is always from left to right, whereas in increment operator, the associativity is from right to left. This is very, very important, and I told you earlier also we will be discussing the concept of associativity in the coming sessions clearly. So this is note here, int a semicolon is a declaration statement, a is equal to 5 semicolon is an assignment statement. Int a is equal to 5 semicolon you call it as an initialization statement. Initialization is nothing but assigning a value to a variable at the time of declaration.